Hi guys, this is going to be a very quick video on this wonderful Russian watch or clock. I really find it to be very interesting and unique in its own style. So this is it. It's a Slava, which translates from Russian to English to honor, alarm clock with 11 gels mechanism. Let's begin with the shape. Here is the interesting shape I was telling you about. It has the shape of a sphere, of a globe, the world, and on the world we have, of course, the USSR symbols, right where Russia is. Here's the globe, a little bit dirty, but I just got it. Here we can see a space rocket. This watch was made in memorial and honor of the USSR Russian space program. Let's open it up and show you what else we have. Here's the mechanism. Here we can set the alarm, we can wind up the alarm, we can set the time and wind up the mechanism. Here is the back part resembling the globe. And let's give it a little wind up, since we're cool guys, and to wind up on the alarm as well. Well, I hope you can hear it ticking. It's working alright. Let's try its alarm feature. On top we can stop the alarm, and that's what we're gonna do. Well, it definitely is working. Alright guys, I really hope that you found this video to be interesting. Tell me what you think about it, tell me if you like what I'm doing, and I'll keep on finding interesting stuff for you. See you in the next one.